Right, as you can see over here, the Docker has been initialized on my system with the Docker CLI showing the dollar prompt. So I will try to run a simple test. I'll type Docker run hello world application. I'll try to run. Let's see. So it says unable to find the image locally, which is correct because I do not have any image locally stored for this application. So it will try to download, and we will shortly see the message displayed on the prompt as well. So let's wait for that. It will be pulling it from the repository, right? As you can see over here, it is pulling from library, and then shortly it will say the status. As you can see, downloaded the newer image for hello world, right? And the next is the message that you got from the application. So this shows that the Docker is running perfectly fine on my system. So please do the same verification at your end as well and confirm if you can run the Docker from the Docker toolbox. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next videos.